Hello everyone, it's Mario Kid Mini Build official Super Mario official Super Mario Power Mario Kid Mini Build Series 4 character pack. So it's kind of funny that I found two that's not the same, and this time we built a bully. And Bowser's captured a bunch of people today, but Lego Mario Lego Luigi wasn't captured. Roll the music. Wait, bum, bum, bum.
Mario, 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 Mario. It's the official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour.
It's the official Super Mario Hour! Dad, got one up!
Yeah, you did.
Hello everyone, it's official Super Mario Hour. It's a Mario Kid mini build. I have no idea where the mini build will be. Gotcha! Series 4 character pack. There are 10 to collect. And last time we were here, we completed a Parabitty Buddy, but he's in the other room, so. Can you go get him in the dining room so they can see him, see how good he's going? Okay, boom. I'm trying to open the gear up. I think I got a new one. Let's see what this guy could be. I got a new one, Dad. It's somebody from 3D World. It's the bully.
You got the bully?
Yeah, I like him. The bully. We have the Mecha Koopa. Why, he doesn't really want to stand up. Go get his stand. He can't stand. He just doesn't want to stand up. So there's the Parabitty Bud who we did last time. Look at these eyes. I hit the scanner, so that's all that would happen if you hit that guy's scanner. Okay, so I'm sure we'll... Mario time! I get him. Okay, it just took me forever to find that guy. It's been like an hour. There's Bully. Here we go, Bully. So let's construct. Okay, look at those. Okay, and we'll take our dark thing and these fun pieces. Look at these fun pieces we got here. I like it. I need some of these pieces to be close up to me. And the part of this goes there. Then this part. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Do you like my new shirt? It's kind of pretty big. Super Mario Maker, Mario, Builder Mario about to, he's with a card going to build stuff. I guess I can't really see that part. I don't know what could be that part. There. Okay, there we go. Whoa! Okay, and pop! So there is the part of the bully. Let's construct. We're still and pop, and pop. That's fun. Oh. Oh wait, no. But maybe. Okay. Whoa, that's pretty complicating. Okay. Boop. But is there any on the back? Oh, yes, there is. I'll rotate that back. Okay. And I'm successing. I burped. Excuse me. Excuse me. Bully. I like the bully. Do you know which one I'm looking forward to? The baby penguin. From Super Mario Galaxy and Super Mario 64. We're gonna be playing on this. I don't know if he's from Super Mario 64. I can't tell you guys because I don't know. Dad, maybe no. I don't know. This one on that side, and I see another one, so I must put another one on. Okay. Okay. Dad, can you come in here? Well, we're building 2 of these things.
2 of them?
Yeah, on the bully. You can build one, I can build one. Can we do that? It's very easy, just like that. Just pop that on there. You do this. You do this one. You just pop that onto the little circle thing.
Oh. Just pop it on?
Like that, like I just did. I haven't done mine yet. Boop. There we go.
What's that on your shirt?
Builder Mario. See, that's what we need it for his ears.
Are those ears or horns?
I bet they're horns. Have a mission. It's trying to get a baby penguin. Okay. Okay, I got that one on. There we go. Woo! Whoa! I hoped I didn't have to mess with these horns again, but I still have to mess with them. Okay. When this bully guy is done, you can see what a bully looks like up close. Okay. There we go. The bully's done! Woohoo! So here's what a bully looks like up close. Well, they're off. I'm still trying to get onto entryway, so that's where all the fun stuff comes in. It's kind of a shame that the bully can knock you like this. Like this. Like that. The bully almost made Mario hit the camera. That would be good. Oh, I turned him off. I'm trying to hit the Bluetooth button. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. The bullies. So this is what a bully looks like up close. There he is. It's the bully. Kind of a cool character from Lego to create. Oh well. Sorry, Luigi. Sorry. Scan the star of Lego Mario.
Mario? Are you okay?
Gotcha! I got the bully. Pretty cool character for Lego to create. Kind of a shame that that's a cool character. Add new set. I added. Dad, you want to see the bully? He's all done.
Whoa.
Oh no.
Well, is there a stand? Look at him. That's good, bud.
I used your help with the other one.
What about the stand?
I'm just about to build that.
Oh, is he gonna burn his biscuits? That looks like a biscuit burning stand.
Ah! I already did that.
Oh.
Are you happier now? Okay. And I can't tell how this is going to go on, so I suppose I'll just do it like that. Bop. I maybe worry about the instructions. I'll open them up just for fun. Ooh, I didn't rip it that time. That's my first time ripping it on the Mecha Koopa. Must have got it right that time. Okay, I'm trying to open this up. These instructions up. Just so I could see what they look like, just for fun. There. There we go. So here's what the instructions look like on this side. I'm still trying to collect one of the Sting Bee. I'm going to call it Sting Boy. Baby Penguin, Freezy, Ant Trooper, and whatever that is. And a Scare Rat. And whatever that guy is. Okay. Okay. And... Okay. That's good. Oh, I still gotta put the... Why, I suppose you do it. Thank you, Mario. That's way too hot for me. Okay, that's it for the stand. Now we just need to put this guy on there somehow. Trying to figure out how to do that. Okay, take him. Gotcha. Ooh, and just suppose you just pop him on. There we go! It's the bully! Dad, I'm done with the full thing. You want to see it?
Yeah. Whoa! Look at that, bud. Series 4 character pack. Bully.
There he is.
Wow.
Now we just need to watch the one last thing, and then we can say bye-bye. That.
Oh, do a flip.
Okay.
You can't get him unless you do a flip. Did you see that?
I already got him. So let's turn him off.
It's Luigi time.
Maybe Luigi wants to try.
Because maybe Luigi hasn't done it yet. Well, it's not unconnected.
Bye-bye.
We'll have to...
Oh, he got you. You got to do a flip. Yeah.
That must have been a flip.
Good one.
So if you liked today's video, please give us a big thumbs up. And so this is what the bully looks like. Kind of ashamed I didn't get the baby pink one. I'm still trying to get that one for a mystery. Bye-bye. And so if you liked today's video, please give us a big thumbs up. And let's see if it says we have it. Yep, it says we have it. Give us a big thumbs up. 2 thumbs ups. Bye-bye.
Why don't you like and subscribe us? Why don't you like and subscribe us? Why don't you like and subscribe? Like and subscribe!
Thank you.
It's the official Super Mario Hour. Official